Hello everyone, this is the first video I work on the Unity that you can see on the screen that I create. When you open the first model, you can see like this. I just delete this and you can understand what we work today. We make a familiar with the if condition statement. Okay, if you guys like me, the first time jump into Unity, we can work with the C#. Okay, we create an empty like this. Okay, make it the default. Click on this. Choose add component. Search new script and put the name like if condition statement. So it means that it's link. Okay, link script. It's a game object. It means that you can control by script. Okay, I hit one, open it. Okay, so now delete something. That's the default. When you open it, you see it. It means that it's work. Okay, default it. I'm sorry. Okay, make it one. So if statement here, I should create like public. With first one, we create a variable, something like position. Okay, position. Okay, equal 20. Okay, right. So now we can put the if condition voice start. It means that when you hit play button, the script will work. Okay, so if we have parenthesis here, we put default here, like if position, this position equal exactly, okay, 20, we do something inside. Curly brace. Okay, here when you save it here, it work. The condition here, we do something like debug lock. So it show the message, the notice inside this one, like this work. Okay, this position here 20. Okay, so now I save it, I move back. Okay, I go back to Unity, click the game object, and you see the console here. If you do not have this one, you can select the window, choose file, what here, general console, or use a Ctrl+Shift+C. Okay, you open it and you can move on the screen like this. Oh my god. How I come back. Please. Okay, right here, console here. Okay, let's see what happened if I hit play button. Oh my god, you see it's work. Okay, it means that the if condition work. Okay, so if not the position equal to 20, we can use another else and have the okay, we don't have the parenthesis because in default we have only put the condition inside the curly brace. Okay, this else debug. Something inside. Okay, man. Okay, man. Okay, we save it. Come back here. So now in public it means that we change the value of this variable position here. 19, for example, and then I come back here to play. Okay, not okay, man. So you make a familiar with the if condition and the unity, and we can use this. Okay, we use this for build the game, we upload on the store. Okay, to make money in the future. So now, thank you for watching my video, the first example. Okay, so now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.